Hello everyone, welcome to the final lecture of this course, Building a Career or Business in Drone Surveying. Drone surveying is one of the fastest growing fields in geospatial technology today. As industries continue to adopt drones for mapping, inspection, and data collection, the demand for professionals who understand drone operations, photogrammetry, and aerial data analysis is increasing rapidly. Whether you want to build a career as a drone survey professional or start your own drone surveying business, this field offers many exciting opportunities. Let's explore how you can get started. Growing demand for drone surveying. Many industries now rely on drone surveys to collect accurate geographic data quickly and efficiently. Some of the industries actively hiring drone survey professionals include construction and infrastructure development, mining and resource management, agriculture and precision farming, environmental monitoring, urban planning and land development, energy and utility inspections. As drone technology becomes more advanced and accessible, companies are looking for people who can operate drones professionally and convert aerial data into useful insights. Skills needed for a career in drone surveying. To build a successful career in drone surveying, it is important to develop a combination of technical and operational skills. Some key skills include drone flight planning and safe operations, photogrammetry and aerial mapping, GPS and coordinate systems, data processing using mapping software, GIS and CAD integration, survey data analysis and reporting. Professionals who understand both drone technology and geographic data analysis are especially valuable in the job market. Equipment and tools. If you plan to work professionally in drone surveying, you will likely need access to specialized equipment such as survey grade drones with high resolution cameras, RTK or PPK positioning systems, ground control point equipment, photogrammetry processing software, GIS or CAD tools for analysis and design. Investing in reliable equipment helps ensure accurate results and professional quality deliverables. Starting a drone survey business. Many drone pilots choose to start their own drone surveying service companies. Typical services offered by drone survey businesses include aerial mapping and orthomosaic generation, construction site monitoring, stockpile volume measurement, topographic mapping, infrastructure inspection, agricultural field analysis. Building a business often begins with small projects, building a portfolio, and developing relationships with construction companies, survey firms, and engineering teams. Importance of licensing and regulations. Before operating drones commercially, it is important to understand and follow local aviation regulations. Many countries require drone pilots to obtain certification or licenses for commercial operations. Following these regulations help ensure safe operations and builds credibility with clients. The future of drone surveying. The future of drone surveying is very promising. Emerging technologies such as LiDAR drones, AI powered data analysis, and automated mapping systems are expanding what drones can achieve. Professionals who develop strong skills in drone technology, mapping software, and geospatial analysis will be well positioned to take advantage of these opportunities. This is my final message. Drone surveying combines technology, aviation, and geospatial science to create powerful solutions for real world challenges. By learning the skills covered in this course and continuing to practice and explore new technologies, you can build a rewarding career or successful business in this rapidly growing field. Thank you for being part of this course and taking the time to explore the world of drone surveying and aerial mapping. I wish you a great success on your journey ahead. Thank you.